Alright, welcome back to part B of this project. Customer came in, tried it on, and said fit him good, so we can proceed with the work. Now it's time to do the bottom finish, so we're going to go ahead and put the full sole on, leather sole on. It was kind of nerve-wracking when the customer was here, because you're not really sure how it's going to fit. You try to do the best you can to kind of, duplicate what you had, but it's always kind of nervous feeling when they put it on. But everything turned out all right, so we'll continue with the job. All right, so at this stage we've added a little bit of color and condition the uppers, trim the edges, open the channel right there so the stitches will go right into. This is what it used to look like. The lighting is not that great, but you can see they're coming along really good. A little bit of color changes the boot dramatically. Alright, let's continue. Alright, so we've got the sole stitched together. Finish the edges. Now get to refinish the bottom. Once the bottom is done, we attach a heel, trim it, condition it again, and we're done. Alright, let's continue. Alright, so the bottom is done. Now, the bottom staining is just literally just dye. It's all it is. It doesn't last that long. I mean, you wear it once or twice and you're going to wear that off. I do it because I like to do it and it's kind of fun to do. So it's nothing, it's just aesthetics. It's nothing structural about it. But I think it's kind of cool looking though. Just adds to the job. Alright, hopefully next time I'll come back will be a complete boot. Alright. Okay, so we had a minor setback. Now, these stitches I wanted to keep them white. Unfortunately, when I went to dye the sole, I put a little too much dye around the stitches here and it absorbed right on the top of the welt, which if you can see, it's got red blotches on the stitches, which is not going to work out. So I'm going to end up making that all black, which is okay. I mean, it's not like the customer requested a white stitches. I just thought it'd be a nice contrast between the dark gray and the black edges. So it happens, unfortunately, sometimes. Alright, time to improvise. Alright, welcome back. So we're done with this project. I think they turned out pretty good, actually. Hopefully these will last another 20-25 years. Now you remember that the white stitching on the welt? That the dye got absorbed up onto it? I've changed it to black, and I think that turned out pretty good. It's a nice contrast between the gray and the black. Also put some new pull straps on here. Made those black too. I think the customer will be very happy. Alright, well, I'm glad you joined me with this project. We'll see you again next time. Take care.